Okay, we're having a bit of a heat wave here in Adelaide. It reached 40 degrees today. It's over 100 Fahrenheit, and it's going to be 44 maximum on Friday. So I thought I'd try out some options for fans that I've got here to keep myself cool. So as you can see, it's 38.2 degrees here in Adelaide, and we are the hottest state in Australia at the moment. It's going to be 42 tomorrow. So let's look at some options for some fans we've got here. So we've got the pedestal fan, and I've got my little itty wacky here that measures the infrared thermometer, and 30.6 degrees coming out there, which is 87 Fahrenheit, which is pretty cool. It's got a little conversion there. But I've also got this thing over here, which I got from my little camper van, and it's a little evaporative unit. And if you just look at it here, gets it down to 25.5. It's like the coolest it's got there, 25.4, which is 77.6 Fahrenheit. So that's not bad. So it's like a 5-degree Celsius difference. So what's that in Fahrenheit? We got 77.6 versus 85. So almost. What's that? Well, jeez. 8 degrees Fahrenheit, 5 degrees Celsius. There we go. So there you go. That's pretty cool. Pardon the pun. So I'll probably be using a little companion there, just to keep myself cool. I've got like, you know, big unit there, but I'll be mainly in my bedroom office here, so I'm not going to use that over the heat wave anyway. It just costs too much to run. It's just an overkill for. Don't need to cool the whole house. Just need a little portable unit just to keep myself cool and do some more editing and do some more videos for YouTube. So I hope you enjoyed that. Okay, see you guys.